Dear student, today we discussed KPP Service Commission History and Civics Sold टेस्ट पेपर जो 10/1/2025 को हुआ था. Aryan came from Central Asia. SAARC 14th Summit in 2007 in Delhi. Father of History Herodotus. देवबंद मदरसा फाउंडेशन ईयर जून 30, 1866. British Empire established colonies in early 17th century in North America in 1607. Ad infinitum meaning unlimited. Which nations suffered most in World War II? Japan. शिमला कॉन्फ्रेंस 1945 by Viceroy Wavell, who is simply head of state president. Year of sinking of Pak-China boundary 1963. तरीके रेशमी रुमाल by Sheikhul Hind. When small group of people hold power, oligarchy. Literal meaning of chaos, judging. Who is executive head of state in 1973 constitution? Prime Minister. Which European nation first discovered sea route to India? Portuguese. Shahjahan reigned 1627. Who said injustice destroys prosperity and undermines civilization? Ibn Khaldun. Preamble to US Constitution. First line. We the people of USA. Hasrat Mohani death year 1951. Number of seats in Sindh Assembly 168. System having absolute political and concave power. Autocracy. Pakistan joined United Nations Organization on 30 September 1947. Congress ministries in provinces 7 provinces. Communal Award of 1932 by Prime Minister MacDonald. Karl Marx birth year 1818. Miratul Arus by Nazir Ahmad. Naroz Fort in province of Balochistan. Doctrine of Leaps by Governor General Dalhousie. Canal irrigation system in India by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Who said end of state is ethical? Aristotle. Proponent of socialism. Marx. Best measure of economic growth GDP. Mughal Empire having top in Kabul. Babur. Loyalty duty to a sovereign is allegiance. Who said he who has no kindness has no faith? Al-Ghazali. Zakat and Ushur system in constitution 1973. Who said international politics is the struggle for power? Hans Morgenthau. Alliance for specific purposes where states keep their independent states. Confederation. Civitas meaning state. Diarchy 1919. Provinces in Government of India Act 1935. 11. Taj Mahal completed in the year 1647, बाबर्स डॉटर 3, वॉलंटरी यूनियन ऑफ सोवेरेन एंड इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेट्स कन्फेडरेशन. Thanks for watching. Ready for exam.